Hello, welcome to my channel. In this Moomoo tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to invest in high dividend ETFs here on Moomoo. So, you open up Moomoo. What I want you to do now is to go to the bottom left in between Watch List and Accounts. Press on Markets. Now click on ETFs. So once you're here, you can view different index ETFs, the heat map, etc., but also high dividend yield ETFs. Press on this right here. Now once you're here, it will actually give you different options of high dividend paying ETFs. So once you're here, if you're looking for high dividend ETFs, where it says dividend yield, as you can tell, it will go from largest to smallest. If you were to scroll down, you can kind of see the dividend yield and also beside that, the frequency. So there's monthly paying, quarterly paying, etc., depending on what you're looking for. Now, if you're looking for, let's just say, you can go ahead and just press on trade if you want. Make sure you actually look for the dividend that you're trying to select. So whatever one stands out to you, you can go ahead and press on that.